How can eThread technology by Primo 1D help a company specializing in garment and textile manufacturing? Transforming textile manufacturing with embedded fabric roll tracking technology. Christine Rose is the general manager of a vertically integrated textile factory in Portugal. Her factory, renowned in the luxury sector, produces fabrics for famous international brands. However, Christine faces a persistent challenge: tracking each roll of fabric through the various stages of production, which often take place at external facilities. Processes such as dyeing, coating, embroidery, and finishing make this task particularly complex and unreliable. Sticky labels commonly used in textile factories frequently detach during high-temperature treatments, exposure to humidity, dyeing processes, handling, or transport back to the factory. This leads to lost traceability, misplaced fabric rolls, logistical delays, and a significant strain on inventory management. Workers in Christine's factory often spend hours performing manual checks, consuming valuable time and increasing the risk of human error. For example, the factory recently sent 100 fabric rolls for dyeing, but only 62 returned with the sticky labels intact. But now, Christine has found a solution: Primo 1D's E Lix tags, a durable rain RFID tag in thread form, embedded directly into the woven rolls as they exit the weaving loom. With E Lix tags, which feature a unique digital identifier, Christine ensures precise traceability at every stage of production. For instance, Christine recently received all 100 fabric rolls back from dyeing, each equipped with E Lix tags, enabling the production process to seamlessly advance to the next stage. These tags withstand temperatures of up to 200 degrees Celsius, endure dyeing processes, and last through up to 200 industrial washes. No more peeling labels, no more confusion. Every roll's location is tracked in real time. Raw material flow management is now streamlined, and inventory accuracy has significantly improved. For Christine, this marks a real transformation: less time wasted, more efficient planning, fewer errors, and greater satisfaction for her demanding clients. By leveraging E Lix, the factory not only optimizes its operations but also meets the Digital Product Passport challenge, ensuring traceability, compliance. With E Lix, the factory moves toward operational excellence that's solid and sustainable.